Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can film B-roll on your iPhone. Filming B-roll on your iPhone is an easy and inexpensive way to get good shots. There are a couple things you need to think about though when shooting your B-roll to make it look better. The first thing to think about is your frame rate. You want to think about the look that you're going for. I would recommend for a cinematic look you use 24 frames per second, and for a smoother look you can use 60 frames per second. If you're trying to use cinematic slow motion, then you can use 60 frames per second or higher and then slow it down in post to get the cinematic 24 frames per second look. Another thing you can do for cinematic slow motion is to use the slow motion feature in the camera app. Granted, this gives you less control over your final image, but it also gives you a much slower speed in the finished product. So if you want an easy, automatic way to get slow motion, I would highly recommend using this function. Another thing that will help your B-roll look better is to keep it steady. You can use a tripod, monopod, or Steadicam for this, or just work on getting steady handheld shots. If you want to learn more about getting steady handheld shots, I have a video about that and I'll link it right here. Because an iPhone doesn't have as great of an image quality as DSLRs or other cameras, you're definitely going to want to focus on your framing and angles and camera movement to make sure that your footage looks great. Well, that's it for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.